Do you want to delete all your archive stories on Facebook? It's easy to do with just a few steps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all your archive stories on Facebook. Be sure to watch it till the end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Archive stories on Facebook are older stories you've chosen to save instead of letting them disappear after 24 hours. They're stored in your account's archive for later viewing, and deleting them will permanently remove these saved stories. To delete your archive stories, start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, or the bottom right if you're using an iPhone. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, scroll down and choose Activity Log. In the Activity Log, tap on Your Activity across Facebook, then scroll down and select Stories. From there, tap on Archive Stories to see all your archive stories. You can check the box to select all the old stories, then tap the Remove button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Remove to permanently delete the stories from your account. Facebook will ask you for your password for verification, so enter your password and tap Submit to complete the deletion. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete all your archived stories on Facebook. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Feel free to leave a comment below.